Can you not carry yourself with a little bit of respect? Let's face reality. I don't need to drop down to the level. Become conscious of it. Train yourself to become pure in your language. Allah will grant you acceptance to utter good words at the time of your death. Because I tell you what, at the time of death, there are pangs of death where you may feel a bit of pain, a little bit of this, to a certain point beyond which Allah takes you away. But as you feel the pain, or as the accident's made, or as whatever's going to be taking you finally away is happening, you don't want to say, oh, yeah, you know, and so on. Notice I didn't pronounce the T. Yeah. But at the same time, that's what it is. People start saying those words. Is it really a bad sin? No, it's not such a bad word, but is that the word you want to end your life upon? Come on. Man kana akhiru kalamihi min ad-dunya la ilaha illallah dakhala al-jannah. The Prophet ﷺ says, whoever's last words upon their tongues as they're leaving this life and this world is la ilaha illallah, they shall be granted entry into Jannah. Everything else is just gone one side. Why? Because I said a beautiful word as I ended. Allahu Akbar. Get yourself used to it. Something happens, say la ilaha illallah. It's better than saying, oh, F, right? Astaghfirullah. I'm just saying it the way it is. That's all. As it is the theme of our Light Upon Light this year is facing reality. That's what it is.